just went through, I don't know, anyway, I think we're coming through Hill End on Willow Grove Road, and I'm behind the best looking bike, well, best looking couple on this ride, in the black GS with their black leathers, following them. He's got a black box he got from, where did he get it from? I don't know, overseas somewhere. Got a good deal apparently. It's alright. Unless it's black and it matches the bike, so that's good. And it gives her something to lean on, see? That's good. Moo! Jeez, these cows are just stringed in. Much of a fence there. Willow Grove Road. Oh, there he goes. Who's this? Oh, that's the white and red RS. Yeah, nice bike that. It's hard to tell his surface because of the shades of the coolabah trees, you know? Hard to read the surface. Yeah, we're still on Willow Grove Road. Is that what the trees are, willows? I think that's what it is. The trees are willows. And they call this Willow Grove. You know, the groove bit of the mountain. It's the groove bit of the mountain. Something like that. Something like that. Look at that countryside, eh? Tractor. Speed adjustment. The two black GS cruising the Willow Grove. Doing it right. Doing it right, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I bet you there's a song that goes like that. Doing it right, baby. I don't know which one, but I just put my money on it. There's a song that goes like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, he tilts it over. He's got the extra weight, you see. Because of the passenger weight, he's got to do the extra tilt. G-force. More weight, more tilt. If that was the tractor, it'd have to scrape its pegs because of the weight of the tractor. The tractor would be scraping its pegs. So do a corner like that at that speed. That's why he's got to tilt, because he's got passenger. He's got to dip that in. He's got to dip that thing in. Oh, there's a tight corner, look at that, man. There's a tight corner. There's another tight corner. There's a few tight corners, eh? Dusty strip. Still on Willow Grove Road. This is probably the better part of Willow Grove Road, I reckon. It's nice, picturesque. This is a bit of a slow strippy dip. Look at those trees, eh? Pretty ferns, like being on Fernshaw Road, just about. Da 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 da. Ah, tight one. Ah, tight one. There's another tight one. Ah, nice one. Ah, tight one. Whoa, tight one. Alright, dip and lane, dip and lane, dip and lane, be green. Oh, it is green. Who did we catch? We caught the fluoro. Who's been wearing the fluoro today? Is that an RT? I think it's an RT. We caught the fluoro RT. Go Harley, go Harley, go hardly Norman, normal. That's the thing with Harleys, they don't go hardly normal at all. Go Hardly, go Harley, go hardly normal. They kind of go just straight. They don't go normal bike, you know, Hardleys. They're hardly a bike really. They should be called Hardleys because they're just engines on wheels stuck to the ground. You know what I mean? They don't turn much. If you try turning the thing, it'll probably flip on you because the ground clearance is not that much, you know. Bit of dust, eh? Oh, is that why they said hazard? Oh. No, it wasn't the RT. I think it was the RS of some sort. RS with side panniers. Time 9 minutes. No, we're doing alright. You let me know when it's close to 15 minutes, alright? Just give me a heads up, just so we don't go over, because YouTube don't like it when I go over 15 minutes for some reason. So just give me a heads up, alright? Just tap the screen or something. Or yell out, I'll hear you. It's alright. Well, at least I'm getting a good shot of the couple this time. And my memory card ain't run out, my battery's alright. Microphone. Maybe the microphone failed. Oh no. Let's hope the microphone's alright. Gee, if the microphone failed this again, far out, what a nuisance that would be, eh? Good. All that filming again just to be cut off from the fruits of my labour. Well, we're still on Willow Grove Road. What a hell of a road, eh? Bloody awesome. Nice road. Da 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 da. It's like ballroom dancing. Da 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 da. Banana. I sound like the Minions. Banana. How are we doing for time? 12? Okay. Just remember to yell out, yeah? When it's close to 15. We can't be doing more than 15 apparently. They cut that shit off before 15. Oh, stretching me legs, yeah. Da 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 da. Whoa, da da. And around, round, round she goes. Where she lands she do not knows. Merrily, merry. Oh, wrong song. Oh, it's row, row. No. Rev your bike gently around the street. Rumbling, rumbly, rumbly, rumbly. Life is great with a twin. Rev your bike gently down the street. Rumbly, 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 rumbly. Life is good with the twin. There you go. There's my song. And we have reached our end point, and so I shall bid you farewell. Bid you farewell. Nice. I got some good footage. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah? Good. Yeah.